Hello everyone, so welcome to the second video of this OpenCV tutorial. Okay, and obviously before we start with our basic level or program, we have to understand some theoretical points related to OpenCV and also some terminology related to OpenCV. So here is the first point. OpenCV allows you to perform various operations in the image, like you can read any image, image enhancement, then object detection, image filtering, draw the image and saving the change image. Means once you are done with your change and modification, you can save also. Okay. Then next thing is OpenCV is one of the most popular computer vision libraries. So again the same thing, only like you can read, extract, uh, see here, extract region of interest is very important. Like there is very big picture, and if you want selected part from that picture, then you can extract that also. Resizing and rotating also possible. Then you can draw the rectangle, display the text, etc. Following types of files are supported in OpenCV library, that is .bmp, .jpeg, PNG, WebP also, .sr, TIFF, raster and vector data supported by what? GDAL. NumPy library, the computer processes the image in the form of a matrix for which NumPy is what used. And OpenCV uses it in the background. In the background, we used NumPy with the OpenCV. And OpenCV Python, it is like OpenCV library. Previously it was like only CV, but the updated version is CV2. It is used to manipulate image and videos. So these are the steps to read and display only the image at the beginner level, basic level you can say, in OpenCV are step number one. You have to read an image using I am read function. That is the step number one. Second, create a GUI window and display that image using I am show function. Okay. Then third one, use this inbuilt function which is wait key, and it will have parameter. So if I write wait key and zero as a parameter, okay, it is used to hold the image window on the screen by the specified number of seconds. And zero means till the user closes it, it will hold GUI window on the screen. And the fourth one, you can delete your image window from the memory after displaying using destroy all window function. And the next thing is we have to note down two important points. The image should be in the working directory, okay, or a full path of image should be given. And by default, OpenCV stores colored image in the BGR format, that is blue, green and red. So this is all about the introduction, or you can say that theoretical part of OpenCV. Now we will focus on our first program based on OpenCV. So here is the program with some description also. So again, first thing is to use OpenCV, we have to import CV2, that is the module, or you can say that package in our program. Okay. Then to read any image from the disk, we use cv2.imread function. Okay. So imread function will have two parameters. First, obviously your image name with the extension, that is the first thing. And second one, we call it as a flag actually, and it is cv2.imread underscore color, and this is also a default only. Now what is the meaning of this imread underscore color? It specify to load a color image. Okay, so that is the default flag which we use. And instead of this cv2 dot imread color, you can use integer value for this flag as 1, that is default. And other than this, we have two flags, that is 0 and -1. So 0 is for your grayscale and 1 is for unchanged. Okay, so we are reading that image and we are storing in img. So we are done with our first line. Now before we proceed to second line, that is I am show function. Okay, so creating a GUI window to display image on what screen. So first parameter is your window title. So that is this one. Okay, whatever you want to give, you can give. And second parameter is our image array. That means this variable name, which is img. So we are done with the imRead function and imShow function. Next thing is wait key function. It means to hold the window on screen, we use cv2.waitKey method. So once it detected the close input, it will release the control to the next line. That means next line, this one. First parameter is for holding the screen for specified milliseconds, and it should be positive number or integer. If you pass 0 as a parameter, then it will hold the screen until the user close it. So this is wait key and what 0. And the last line, cv2.destroy all windows function. So it is used for removing, or you can say that deleting the created GUI window from the screen and as well as what from memory. So control S and let's check out the image F5. See, this is our image. You all can see welcome screen. Now later on we will focus on resizing, then rotating the image, then obviously area of your interest or part of the image like detection. Okay, so that we will focus in next few programs. Okay, how to do all these things. Now this is our very basic level program just to display image using the OpenCV library. Thank you everyone.